Good morning, my ravens. It is 6:58 a.m. and your girl is heading to the subway station. That's right, I am going to be heading over there earlier, like a little earlier than usual, because apparently there is going to be a snowstorm coming and I don't want to spend 2.5 hours stuck in the subway. That actually happened one time. I think sometime last month or a few weeks ago, we had this crazy snowstorm where it was freezing rain or something. And then, ooh, look, this is my eBay purchase. That gold cuff that you guys been hating on. It looks fly, okay? I really like it. Usually what happens when it gets very cold is that the signal stops working. Ooh, see, I see the snow starting. Signal stops working, or the tracks freeze, or the doors stop closing. So we're literally just sitting there, sometimes with the door open, just waiting for it to open. I mean, close. Anyways, it's so cold. I hope you guys had a good Tuesday. I wasn't able to stream yesterday. Oh my god, it's so cold. I wasn't able to stream yesterday, but God willing, I will see you guys tonight for some horror hump day. So the last couple of horror games I played were Outlast and Infliction, both that were recommendations from you guys. I think so. Outlast was Nightcrawler, and then Infliction was Owen, and I've gotten a few more recommendations from you guys. So what I want to do is that I want to finish the games that I'm currently already playing. So so this is my plan for tonight. You guys ready? I'm gonna do one game of League, just to keep my hands working. One game of League, maybe a couple games of Dead by Daylight, because I want to get better, just a little bit. See, and then play some Murdered, Sole Suspect. Yeah, so that's gonna be my horror hump day. I hope today's a good day. It's Wednesday. We're at the hump day, guys. Almost there. And yeah, let's try to make it good. Try to make it a good day. And God willing, I will see you guys tonight for some horror hump day. I don't know why I say it like that, but I just do. Take care, guys, and Raven out. Bye.